All right, folks, got my man Jared's 500-gallon TMG pit on a custom-built trailer package. Let's check it out. First off, guys, you notice our trailer powder coated in a beautiful silver, guys. We now powder coat all of our smaller trailers like this. Any custom color, we can get it. Got a lot of wood storage up front here. Coming on down the line, we got the 500-gallon offset pit. Counterweights are standard on the 500-gallon. Now, he did do some custom paint. If you can't tell, we got a little Dallas Cowboys paint scheme going on here. Silver trailer, blue. We got the blue painted wheels, white wall tires, blue TMG logos, all set up nice. A lot of cook room in the 500-gallon. Double door, 2 sliding top racks, 3 racks on the bottom, 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. We got smokehouse on the side there, little stainless steel logo. Come around to the firebox. Fully insulated firebox, guys. All of our tank smokers get a fully insulated box. Holds heat great, makes the pit run like a dream. But that ain't it yet. On the back side, first we've got one of our folding stainless tops. So this lifts up, got a lot of storage underneath. Fold it down, prep off of it, serve off of it. A little extra storage up front of that. And then we've got our safe vertical cooker, guys. These are really badass cookers. You got a lot of room in the chamber here. You got a drip pan here, firebox below, and an ash pan on the very bottom. So really easy to use, easy to clean up. Cook just about anything on this rig. Finish it off with a little more storage up front with a spare tire, matching spare, of course. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.